Prepositions of time, after and later. Use after plus a phrase, and use later alone at the end of a sentence or phrase. I'll call you later. I'll call you after I get home from work. First he bought a new car. 2 weeks later, he bought a new motorcycle. He bought a new motorcycle 2 weeks after he bought a car. You can say later plus a time period to refer to an unspecified time in the future. For example, I'll finish the project later this week. We'll go on vacation later this year. Never end a sentence with after. Instead, you can use afterwards. Did you go straight home after the baseball game? No, we went out for drinks after, is incorrect. The correct sentence is, no, we went out for drinks afterwards. Ago and before. Use ago to talk about past times in reference to the current moment. Use before to talk about past times in reference to another moment in the past. I graduated from college 3 years ago. I met my girlfriend 2 weeks before I graduated. By and until. Use by for one specific event that will happen before a certain time in the future. Use until for a continuous event that will continue and then stop at a certain time in the future. Please send me the information by Monday. He's staying in London until the 30th. During and while. Both during and while mean that something happens at the same time as something else. Use during plus a noun. She cried during the movie. Use while plus subject plus verb, or while plus gerund. She cried while she was watching the movie. She cried while watching the movie. From, to, till, until. We use from plus to, till, and until to define the beginning and end of a time period. The museum is open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Jack will be on vacation from tomorrow until next Friday. I studied English from 2001 till 2004. On, in, and at. Use in for centuries, decades, years, seasons, and months. In the 18th century. In the 1960s. In 2001. In the summer. In October. Use on for days. On Friday. On March 15th. On my birthday. On the weekend. Use at for times. At 3:30. At noon. At 4:15. Be careful with morning, afternoon, evening, and night. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At night. Past and to. We can use these prepositions with minutes in relation to the hour. 3:50 is 10 to 4. 6:15 is 6:15. For and since. For is used for a period of time, and since is used to reference a specific point in time. I've been waiting for 3 hours. I've been waiting since 10 o'clock. We've lived here for 4 years. We've lived here since 2008. She's been working there for 6 months. She's been working there since she graduated from college. As soon as and as long as. As soon as means immediately after another event. We'll call you as soon as we arrive. If we arrive at 8 o'clock, we'll call you at 8:05. As long as means for the period of time or on the condition that. I stayed awake for as long as I could. I'll take the job as long as I have the freedom to work from home a few days a week.